Satin, Advanced Parameter, Auto Split. This button is useful to add auto split stitches in object. Here, we have some objects. Select all the objects, press F key to open Satin Fill Parameter. Now, we will add auto split to 3 mm in the object. Now, we will see that auto split is added inside the object by turning on the 3D view. Let's see again. Select all the object and open Properties and turn off the auto split button. Here you can see all the stitches have been removed. Now, we will see the minimum stitch. Using the minimum stitch, we can set the smallest stitch inside the design. Here, we have set 1 mm. Now there will be no stitch smaller than 1 mm inside the design. We can set it according to our need. Now, we will see auto split alternative lines. With the use of this button, auto split work in alternative line. Now, you can see that the use of auto split has become an alternative. Auto split will be applied up to a minimum of 0.2 mm and a maximum of 12.1 mm.